This noodle really makes me look at them and say, would you be marry me? Mwah. Hi noodle lovers, it's Rizky back in Urai Kitchen where we cook fast, clean and occasionally fall in love with our recipes. Today we are making Marry Me Noodles, but make it Urai style. Simpler, lighter and dangerously addictive. First step, cook Mi URAI low fat, chewy and made clean with premium wheat flour. Cooks evenly in sauces.
Then set aside. In a bowl, mix some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, paprika, thyme, oregano, and rosemary. Then season the chicken with half of the spice blend. Coat it lightly in flour. Pan sear until golden and beautiful. In the same pan, saute onion, green chili, garlic, thyme, our sun-dried tomato, and the rest of spice blend. Add chicken stock, cream,
If a bowl of noodles ever proposes, it would be this one. And honestly, I might say yes.